Hi, I'm going to teach you how to use a Rapid Mac bowl thing to make macaroni and cheese. First, you grab macaroni and cheese and you buy the cheap stuff because you're poor. You take the cheese out of the box because that's not a part of it yet. And you pour it in the bowl, and then you fill it with water, which is done over here, but I assure you it's happening to a line. And then you put it in the microwave, and you put it in there for 3 minutes, not 5 minutes, without stirring, because then it'll be weird. So take it out after that, and then you stir it, and then you put it in for another 2 minutes and a half, and then you put butter, and then you put milk, and then cheese.